So we're here in Gloucester, Massachusetts. We're gonna go install this table. So our client found this Gold Crown VII on YouTube. He watched one of our reviews, he reached out to us, and he really wanted to see, what the process was like getting this to his house. So they reached out to us. He was looking to get a gift for his son, and he wanted something that fit the aesthetic, right? We're right here on the coast. The white finish with the blue felt just fit this room so well. Part of the process we do is we pre-assemble everything at the shop before we ever go out to the client's home. That's standard for local and out-of-state installs, and that just helps us protect and make sure that we're not forgetting anything. That way we're just making sure that the client is getting the full experience and just taking our time doing it right. We triple checked everything and made sure we have everything, and that's part of the reason like some of these road trips are pretty fun, because there's a little bit of stress, there's a little bit of pressure on it. It's kind of like you're in the final quarter of the game. You don't want to miss the shot, you don't want to make an error, because the penalty of making an error is so large. And I've been learning so much about the history. Our client here told me a lot about the fishing history. Obviously, there's a movie that was made here called The Perfect Storm. That's one of my favorite things about these road trips that we do. Every time we go to a road trip, we do installs and stuff like that out of state and out of town. You get to see beautiful views like this. You get to learn the history of the different places that you're going, and it's always some narrative, some story, some beautiful thing that happens with each road trip that we go on. And for this one, it just works itself out. So naturally, we're going to be talking about the Perfect Storm and all the fishing history here. There's a lot of memorials. My client was telling me that over 10,000 fishermen have lost their lives from Gloucester. And then he was telling me we're going to go get food at this hotel, and there's a pole out in the water, and they grease it up in every summer. And you have a bunch of fishermen who are trying to climb up and get this flag, and somebody wins every day. Then there's a lot of other cool pieces of history just around town that we're gonna check out. All right, so we just finished up at the Beauport Hotel. Shout out to those guys. Amazing hosts and great hospitality. Dina, Matt, they really were just super nice people. They let us up on the rooftop so we could really get a good view of one, the city, and then two, basically the entryway. And we actually got to see two things: a fishing boat and a wedding happen. Shout out to whoever those are. And then we got to see all the fishing boats as well. So it was actually pretty cool. But essentially, shout out to the Beauport Hotel. Super nice people, and it was very cool. So check it out. We just finished up here in this beautiful home in Gloucester, Massachusetts. We're about to show you what the table looks like. Check it out. So Mike went with the Brunswick Gold Crown VII. It's a brand new table out right now. The white finish with the blue felt just pops in this room. It's great for the aesthetic. You can hear the beach in the background. If you're in Gloucester and you're looking to spice up your game room or add anything home entertainment wise, arcade furniture, shuffleboards, give us a call, 864-283-6929. We'll get you taken care of.